Okay, here is part 1 for chapter 5, lesson 5. We're just going to be identifying parts of an expression, so this part of your book is going to be really short. If you look on page 388, it shows you a model. This model should be a recap of what you learned on the video that you just watched. It also tells you the expressions, or not the expressions, the definitions for term, like terms, and constant up above. So make sure you go over that and review that before going on. Okay, if you look down at the bottom of your paper on page 388, you'll see example 1. Example 1 has a 4-term expression, and then it lists all the qualifications for in order to answer the questions appropriately. So let's go ahead and do got it questions A and B together. We are going to list everything that it asks to list, pretty much like it did in example 1. So for part A, we've got 4 terms. Okay, so the terms, they are 9y, -4, -11y, and +7. All right, next we have like terms. Like terms, let's see. Like terms are 9y and -11y. And then -4 and 7. All right, next on our list is to list the coefficients. Okay. Coefficients. If you think of a coworker, that person who works with you, okay, is a coworker. So the number that works along with the variable, that's how you can probably remember easy as a coefficient. So the coefficients in this case are 9, -11, and that's it. Because those are the numbers that are working alongside the variable. All right, last we have constants. And our constants are -4 and 7. Okay, so that's it for part A. Let's do part B. So let's list all of the terms for part B. We've got 3x, +2, -10, and -3x. Let's list all of the like terms. We've got 3x and -3x. And we've got 2 and -10. For coefficients, the ones with the variables, we've got 3 and -3. For constants, we've got the ones without the variables, are +2 and -10. Okay, that's pretty much it. That's all we're doing. So, I mean, that's all we're doing as far as what's qualified for the problem. You're getting more practice though. Move on to the next page. Okay, go ahead and pause your video. Go ahead and list all of the terms, like terms, coefficients, and constants for each problem. Press play when you're ready for your answers. Check your answers. Make sure you correct any mistakes that you might have made. Please make sure everything is written down on your paper. And I will see you tomorrow.